to sit there and me go scope it out?
Okay. Throw me into it.
Dude, this is getting old. Oh my God.
Is that your bike or are you just on it?
It's the tree hitting my kickstand.
Thinking this way, but there's like briars everywhere. There's swampland.
Yeah, it's pretty swampy up here, dude. It's gonna be tough to get around it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really wish to go in this other side. Would have been drier.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I wasn't too concerned with getting a flat tire. Don't care too much about it. Probably end up with a flat. This is big too. Man. Only good thing, it's like all the brush over here is like dead. It's dry, so it just breaks right off.
And I've found the mud. That'll be good for the video.
These briars look like all it's over here. Ow.
This is stuff I do on like my KX, dude.
Yeah, like at your house, so whenever you screw up, you can just walk back to your house and leave your bike there.
Yes. Yes, exactly. Oh man. Hit a tree.
You're wild.
Me?
Oh.
I mean, made it through and back onto the path. It's dry up here after it. I just don't know where it all goes. Kind of dry. Pretty dry. Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, it's up to you. We can go back the way we came. That's our only other choice. I have no idea where this takes us out.
How's it looking?
It looks okay. It gets back to how it was before that mud hole. I mean, the tracks are a little wet, but there's no more big mud holes.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Wait a second. No, it's dry. It's dry for a long time, dude. Nope, not doing so well today.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm slaying
No. What are you doing?
Where you at?
Up here? Getting that rut, big dog. Oh my god!
Holy shit, dude!
Oh, what'd you do?
Where are you at?
Up there! Oh! I just went, yeah. I just stayed in the dry stuff. Holy cow. Hope you know the way out.
I hit the ground twice back there.
Did it hurt?
No,
You look okay from here.
I'm good.
My eye is shot.
I think we need to reevaluate our assessment of definition of easy trail ride on dual sport. Just gonna throw that out there.
I tried to get you to get the map so we could just ride to Sanderson and just climb up some rocks.
That's what we were doing.
I thought this was the way. It kind of looks like the way, you know?
Then I hear riding single track too much.
Yeah.
I was back there like mowing down trees. That was fun.
I don't want to go back that way.